Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I recently came across this website called Studypool. You may have heard of it, but what it is basically is that different people want learning resources online. They're looking for these resources. So if you are a student or were a student in the past and you have all these documents just sitting on your computer, you can basically upload them, and then every time someone views it, you get paid a certain amount of money. So what you should do, go onto the Studypool website and then click on sign up. So you're going to have to enter your email, username, and password, and then create an account, or you can, sign up with Google or Facebook if you have them. So I'm going to go ahead and sign into my account, and I will see you later. Okay, so here I am in my account, and as you can see, they have all these different categories, subjects for what people are looking for. And then up here you have two little buttons. So one is sell documents and the other one is become a tutor. I'm just going to click the become a tutor one. This is a way you can make money online. It's not passive, obviously, but the passive one that I want to talk about is this one, sell docs. And as you can see here, they're giving you a list of the top earners making $92,000. I mean, that's pretty good for just uploading your old school work. So it says here, earn passive income of up to 5,000 USD a month. We share your docs with tens of millions of students, and you get up to $10 every time a student views one. So I think how it basically works is that the students subscribe to Studypool to view the documents, and then that I think it's like a certain amount of money they pay for each month, and that money gets split across all the documents that they view. So here it's giving you examples of what to upload, so quiz, exam prep, old assignments, etc. And even if you know a different language and you have content, learning languages content, that's also good. Okay, so as you can see, I have uploaded 13 documents here. So I basically just uploaded them. And yeah, I think I have to just wait now and see what happens. But I think you should probably upload more. I mean, I couldn't find that many on this laptop, so I'm going to have to try and find more of my old school documents. But when I do, I will be uploading more of the documents and see, because it's more chance for people to click on it and more chance of you getting paid. All you do is you click upload files over here, and yeah, it should take you to your documents. It says maximize earnings here, so you can have a look at this on how to get approved for the, because obviously someone is checking the documents to make sure they're like, good quality, and you're not just copying people, like other people's content online. So yeah, just have a look through all these documents before you start uploading. So as you can see, I've got 13 uploaded. So I will update you guys. I'll give it a good couple months, I think, to really give it a chance and probably start uploading some more. But I will try and update you guys as soon as I start making some money. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.